चंद्रशेखर जी, एक और जी, क्रिमिनल बिल को लेकर के अपोजिशन लगातार नाराज है। अपोजिशन कह रहा है क्रिमिनल जस्टिस बिल आज से इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ है, पहला मामला दिल्ली में दर्ज हुआ है। आप क्या कहेंगे क्रिमिनल बिल के ऊपर? आप भी चाहते हैं कि इसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ना हो?
देखिए, ऐसा है, वो जो कानून पास हुआ है सबको पता है किस परिस्थितियों में हुआ है, तो अभी बहुत सब कुछ है। मैं उसको स्टडी कर लूँ फिर बताता हूँ।
चंद्रशेखर जी, एक और जी, क्रिमिनल बिल को लेकर के अपोजिशन लगातार नाराज है। अपोजिशन कह रहा है क्रिमिनल जस्टिस बिल आज से इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ है, पहला मामला दिल्ली में दर्ज हुआ है। आप क्या कहेंगे क्रिमिनल बिल के ऊपर? आप भी चाहते हैं कि इसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ना हो?
देखिए, ऐसा है, वो जो कानून पास हुआ है सबको पता है किस परिस्थितियों में हुआ है, तो अभी बहुत सब कुछ है। मैं उसको स्टडी कर लूँ फिर बताता हूँ।
From today, the Criminal Justice Bill, which was renamed as Bharatiya Nyaya Suraksha Sanhita Bill, it is implemented from today. As a opposition party, as a opposition leader, what you want to state?
See, it is implemented from last 12 night. Actually, it is really choking of the voice of the people. Really, we are a democratic country, and whatever we post, even on social media, becomes a crime these days. Even we cannot talk out our voices. I think we are lost in any communist country or something where we live in a country with democracy and federalism, where we have the right to speak, which is very important right of our constitution, which is already there in the constitution. By doing this, they only choke the people who can comment on the government, what they do and what they not do. I think they are shunning away from the duties by implementing this and getting away from all the media comments, the public comments, the opposition comments. They are afraid and running away from the whole law is one thing. And second thing is, we have so many languages in India. Why only in Hindi it has to be named? And it was passed when the opposition was not there inside the parliament in last few sessions, when we were all sent out on suspension or for some other reasons. And it has been passed and it's been implemented last night by 12 midnight, I think. So I don't think the government is right. One side, the whole government is bleeding, it is leaking everywhere, and this side, they are happily going ahead with whatever they want to do. It only shows their atrocity.
Cutting across to Soumya, who joins us live from outside the Supreme Court as we continue to get more and more legal voices that are in support of the criminal justice bill and how this is going to better the system. Of course, that is not the view, Soumya, that the opposition shares, and they want to up the ante against the centre over it. With regards to what the judicial system thinks, what is your take on it?
Sorry, Suyesha, there was a technical glitch. Can you please repeat your question?
Soumya, I believe you're standing outside the Supreme Court. Do give us details of what you're picking up from outside court over the new criminal justice bill.
See, Suyesha, there are three criminal justice laws that have been